This is a video on how to replace a Dell Inspiron 14Z5423. You start the procedure by prying off the trim around the screen. Usually you can just start it by putting your fingernail under there and slowly working your way around. Pop that off. Work your way around either side here, and across the bottom, and then gently pull it out from the hinges. Set that to the side, and then there's 4 small Phillips screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we'll take those out now. Very small, you have to be careful not to lose them. Set them somewhere where you won't knock them off. There we go. Drop that one. It helps to have a magnetic screwdriver. Pick that up. Okay, after you get the 4 screws out, you can gently pull at those and fold it down to reveal where your screen's plugged in here. If you haven't already, it's a good time to check to make sure you have the correct screen. And there's a piece of tape holding the plug on here. Just gently lift it back, and then the plug should come out. Set the old one aside. And set the new one down. And pull that plug into place. Here we go. And fold it back up into place here. Screen kind of sits in a recessed spot there. And then proceed to put the screws back in. So it's better to hold these with your fingernail to get them back into where they should be. You just want to snug these up. They don't have to be real tight. And one more to go. Snug this one up a little more here. There we go. And there's a protective screen cover here. Pull that off. Okay. Now you can place the trim back on. It slides down in there between the two hinges. And just pop it back into place. There we have it. You're all done.